All right, this is 2025, a new year, and many of us have different dreams. We have New Year resolutions. Some actually thought of traveling abroad, going to see family, going on holidays, and we cannot afford to have another scandal. You know what happened in 2017, where some migrants were denied access to the United Kingdom, even when they have legal rights to live, work, and continue staying in the United Kingdom. Although it was noted that the UK government came out to apologize to these migrants, compensated them, make sure that they were comfortable, but then we do not want a repeat of such. And this explains why they have taken out their times to put plans in place, ensuring that all carriers have access to this database where they would check and assess the status of every migrant that comes into the United Kingdom without physical documents. What am I on about, guys? I am on about the electronic visa. The UK government has officially introduced the electronic visa platform, where every migrant are expected to log in, create an account, and of course generate their eVisa, meaning that their dreams of transitioning into electronic database than physical documents are gradually coming into reality. Calm down. So guys, on today's video, I am going to tell you 5 things that you must do if you have it in mind that you will be traveling outside the United Kingdom this year, 2025, especially between now and 31st of March, which is the new expiration date announced by the UK government on BRP. I know you got dressed up for the club. Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Blessing of Blessed Blessing channel. On this channel, I film content on how you can migrate to the United Kingdom, life generally in the UK. Like, I bring out informations that will make your transition to the United Kingdom as smooth as possible. If this interests you, please consider subscribing to the channel, and also do not go without hitting on that notification bell so you get notified anytime I upload new videos. To my returning subscribers, thank you guys for always coming back to watch my videos. I sincerely appreciate you. God bless you. Let's move right into today's video. I am still going to use this article, the same article that was published by Sima Mohatra, okay? That's the Secretary of State for Migration and Citizenship, Labour. It's a very huge document, but I'm going to take us to a particular part, okay? When I did that video where I talked about you traveling, printing out your eVisa and all that, many of us could actually think that it's not necessary. When I have access to my phone, I could actually show them, at the border. But guys, listen to this. Printed documents. Successful visa applicants receive written confirmation by email or letter that they have been granted permission, which they can keep for their own personal records. Where this document cannot be used as evidence of their status, this printed document can be used when interacting with the Home Office should any subsequent issues be encountered with their eVisa. Customers may also wish to print out their eVisa profile page if they would like a physical version for their own records. You see why it's important you print your eVisa and the approval letter, okay, that they send to you. Most of us that applied for probably student visa or skilled worker visa, you must receive that notification through email, or it could be, by post, or probably when you went to collect your BRP, the letter came with the BRP. It's called decision letter, okay, that your visa have been granted. We have been recording immigration status information since the turn of the century. And if someone encounters an issue with their eVisa, we can search those records to find their information and confirm their status. BRP holders are also able to retain their expired BRPs for their own records. And legacy document holder who make the switch to eVisa will also still have their physical documents as evidence of their immigration status. Guys, this is why it's important for you to do this. Customers can continue to use the online right to work and rent services, which have been used by millions of people for over 2 years to prove their rights, to rent or right to work. Normal right to work, you can continue using it. You know how you get your share code if you want to rent a house. You know how you get your share code if your employers requires it. Okay, so the next one, technical issues. We have designed our digital services to be highly resilient, okay, rigorously tested and deployed across multiple data centers. Services are proactively monitored for failures, which will highlight any potential problem, allow support teams to resolve them as quick as possible where they occur. We recognize a small number of customers have experienced issues with their eVisa, which we are working hard to address. This includes a customer status not being visible or showing incorrectly. We encourage any user experiencing issue to contact the Home Office to enable this to be investigated and resolved where necessary. The Resolution Center can enable individual status to be verified through alternative means. Customers can contact the Resolution Center using an online web chat service or by phone. Guys, I am going to do another video on how you can actually do this, like a step-by-step guide. Trust me, guys, I got your back on this channel. So they talked about the Windrush scandal. We already know that what happened in 2017 when people traveled and they were not able to come in. Okay, so they are trying to avoid that. Your eVisa will be used to confirm your right to travel to the UK if you travel internationally. It is essential that you check your current passport or travel document is linked to your eVisa before you travel internationally. This is to ensure you do not encounter unnecessary delays. You can check the travel document linked to your eVisa and update it if required. You need to update your passport or travel document information every time it changes to avoid travel delays. Flight carriers should be able to check your eVisa automatically. You may still be asked to show evidence of your immigration status as we transit to eVisa. Guys, you see why I said it's good for you to have copies of all the necessary documents with you. You may therefore find it helpful to create a share code in advance of travel and carry it with you. Narrate your share code and take it alongside while you are traveling. You can then print, write down, or otherwise store the share code to be able to provide it when needed. A share code is valid for 90 days, so can be created in advance of travel. To support travel and provide further reassurance during the transition to eVisa, carriers may accept a BRP or EUSS BRC which expires on or after 31st December 2024 to travel to the UK provisionally until the end of March 2025, where you continue to have valid immigration status. You should carry your expired BRP or expired EUSS BRC with you when you travel. If you no longer have a BRP or EUSS BRC or we are not issued with one, your permission to travel will be checked through other means. Keep your UKVI account up to date. It is important to keep your UKVI account personal details up to date at so and so. So there is another link for that, okay? All these links are on UKVI government website. That's gov.uk. It is important to keep your UKVI account personal details up to date at the link there, that's on the website, so you can travel with your current passport or identity document, avoid unnecessary delays when traveling internationally. That is it. Please do well to like this video, share this video, and of course, stay tuned, stay updated on this channel. Thank you for watching. I remain Blessing, a Mozuzu of Blessed Blessing channels.